Not every sewer pipe is in the same condition. Let's see what happens when we test 3 different pipe surfaces. First is an older cast iron sewer pipe. Over time, buildup and corrosion can collect inside the line. As the cleaning chain moves through the pipe, you can see some of that material breaking away. What matters is not how the pipe looks from the outside. What matters is what is happening inside. Corrosion, scale buildup, and rough surfaces can affect how wastewater moves through the line.
If you're dealing with slow drains, sewer odors, or recurring backups, the first step is understanding what's actually causing the problem.
A sewer camera inspection lets you see the condition of the line before making a repair decision. Not every sewer problem needs a replacement. That's why we inspect first. Next is a modern HDPE or ABS replacement pipe. These materials are commonly used during sewer line replacement projects. The interior surface is smooth and designed for long-term performance. Now let's look at an epoxy-lined pipe. Instead of replacing the entire sewer line, epoxy creates a protective inner layer inside the existing pipe. This can help restore a smoother surface while extending the life of the line. This is the important part of the test.
Every sewer line is different. Some pipes can be cleaned, some can be restored with epoxy lining, others may need replacement. The right solution depends on the actual condition of a line.
At ALMCO Plumbing, we don't believe in guessing. We inspect the line, show you exactly what we find, and explain your options clearly. Whether the solution is cleaning, epoxy lining, or replacement, you'll know what's happening before making a decision. Schedule your sewer camera inspection today. Our team, our trucks, our warranty.